We're building a patio here, but the septic is in the way. So we need to make some risers here and here. Stick with me and I'll show you how I'm gonna do it. When you're done cleaning that foundation, you gonna help me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Miss what?
Good. Okay. I'll put it down for you and you smooth it out, okay? Just like the clay. And just like that, it's in there, ready for the dense grade tomorrow. And same deal with that one. We're gonna leave it long, and then when we find our grade, I'll cut it down then. That way I can just be just below where I put my bedding. And then once I set my little compass rose there, it'll tie in with the patio nice. Follow along to see the patio build.
Don't
That's
we have
it.
to do the next one?
We gotta do the next one. You ready?
Even way past it.
Way past bedtime is right. Let's go.